Unboxing my iPhone 17 Pro. Unboxing. Yeah, what is inside? Wow, bright orange. Ooh, that's nice. It's 3 lenses. I think that's a flashlight, and that's what's the bottom one? Just a
LiDAR sensor.
LiDAR sensor. Yeah. Ooh, oh my god. And then cable. This different cable, no? Different design. It's not rubber now, any. This is inside. Wow, they also like becoming small. How are you gonna read this line? There's instruction, I think. How are you gonna read it? It's too small. Yeah. And I got the case. I got the case. And we got another orange case. No stand?
Yeah.
Where's the stand? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, that. Yeah. Oh, you can stand it. How you
Both
can?
ways.
Are you gonna stand it like this?
No, like that.
Oh. Yeah. That's it. Da-na-na-na. Then starting filling up. Ooh. That's nice. Bright color, but it's good. Let's switch it on. Think that's the button there. Is it correct? Oh, is this one the button? I think I pressed the wrong button. There we are. iPhone 17. It's cool. Stylish. Yes, it looks bigger than my old phone. Wider. My old phone is 14 Pro Max. There we are, still downloading. And then it's gonna say, oh, hello. How's that? So which is English, obviously. Oh wow. Hola. Bonjour. No, not bonjour. Hello. New pa Ben? Hola. Ciao. Oh. Where's the English?
Just swipe up.
Swipe up. There we are. Press English. Select your country. United Kingdom. Here we are. We're gonna set up this phone. I think it's gonna take how many days? Hopefully just a day, so I can use it today. We're gonna transfer all my things in here. All right.